Hello, hola, konnichiwa. How are you, beautifuls? Today I'm gonna be unboxing my Cult Beauty goodie bag that I just received because of a purchase of 2 items from Jordan Salon Skin. So yeah, let's get started. First off, we have a precision color pencil in the color Rosa from 1999. I'm gonna open this. Okay, I ended up destroying it. And I knew for a fact that this was in the bag. Let's try out the color. I'm wearing lip gloss, so I'm not sure if... you can see it. I think. Am I fooling myself? Oh no, it can be seen. Oh yeah. Okay, this is pretty. Super pink and kind of stained. My lip gloss kind of stained it a little bit. And you can also use it on your cheeks and your eyes, but I think I'm gonna keep it for the lips. Yeah, and it's made in Italy, so that's pretty cool. This is what I got. So what else did I get? I got some supplements, Neutral Focus. I'm not big on supplements unless I have to take them because of some deficiency, but I guess I can look into it and see if it's any good and then tell you guys. What else we got? Oh yeah, we got reusable bamboo cotton pads. Let's take a look. It's one mesh laundry and comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pads. So that's really nice. I like it. It's branded Cult Beauty. Notice in the beginning, but it came with this. The name of the edit is Cult Conscious, and it says transparency is and always has been at the heart of our philosophy. We seize the opportunity to offer instant, unequivocal confirmation that a product ticks your boxes through our Cult Conscious edit spanning skincare, fragrance, makeup, or well-being heroes. That's pretty nice. So yeah, that's what's in this bag. Everything is Cult Conscious. I'm not exactly sure what that really means, but it means to be environmentally friendly. This is one that I wanted to try. Edema Miel First Fix Deluxe Sample Size. It's 5 ml. It's the stress response serum, and I'm really looking forward to trying this. So maybe I will comment about it, the things in this bag that I really want to try, like the pencil, and I already tried it, and see how I get on with it. I knew there were at least 2 makeup items, and this is a Urban Decay Perversion Volumizing Mascara, and I'm gonna show you what's inside and we're gonna try it. I didn't put a lot of mascara, like here's mascara. It's a tiny size, but it's nice. 3 ml. Let's give it a try. Okay, I can see something. I guess I will have to try it on its own, but so far it seems to be nice. It accentuated my eyelashes a little bit more. So this is fun. So the next item is this brand. I think the brand is Codex Beauty, and the item is called Bia. It's an exfoliating wash, and this is the first time I actually hear about this brand. I'm looking forward to seeing what the ingredients are. They're not on this sample size, but yeah, it says hydrate and nourish. So I guess it's a hydrating exfoliating wash. What's up next? Ah, the one that I was looking most forward to, the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Let's open this. Okay, I'll come back when I open the box. Okay, I'm back. Here is I have it open already, the Green Clean Pharmacy Beauty. Yes. Cleansing balm, and this is the color that it has, and it comes with a little spatula too. See? So cute. Oh, I'm looking forward to trying this product so much. I've been wanting to try Pharmacy for a long time. We have Kora Organics, the brand from Miranda Care, if you know who she is. And this is how the box looks like. And it's a turmeric brightening exfoliating mask as well. Another mask. Interesting. Well, the other one wasn't a mask, it was a wash, so it's different. And we have next, oh, here we have Ren. I love Ren. And I've never tried this product before. It's the Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask. Okay, another mask. Nice. And it's a 15 ml sample, of course. So, looking forward to trying that. And this is the Pure Harmony Hair Bath from Inner Sense. Sorry, I didn't show you. Oh, there we go. I've tried this before, and I love this shampoo. So, well, it works well with my tresses. So, I'm happy I got this. It's a backup. I have like 3 of these small sizes. All from Cult Beauty. Ah, the hero. Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. There's a little reflection there. So sorry the camera doesn't want to focus. Oh, there it is. Yep. So that's pretty cool. I'm so looking forward to trying this. It's gonna amp up my routine. Caudalie. I love Caudalie. Bino Perfect. Cream. Dark Spot Correcting Glycolic Night Cream. A lot of glycolic in this little bag. I'm trying to focus here, but it won't let me. But you get the idea. And this is a little hard, so. And last but not least, this Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub by Nature Lab Tokyo. You can see it here. I've tried this before as well, and it's also really good for my scalp. So I'm excited about products that I already know that they work, and I'm looking forward to the ones that I don't know. And the bag is empty. So it comes with this nice travel makeup bag. It's like a craft paper bag or something, I read in the website. So yeah, that was it for the unboxing of this Cult Beauty bag, the Cult Conscious edit that came out a couple of weeks ago, and I just got it now because of the shipping times all the way to Japan. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Sayonara, beautiful. Bye.